Welcome, language learners. If mastering English is one of your goals for 2024, then you are in the right place. Today, I am sharing top 5 proven strategies to not only boost your English skills but make the journey fun and engaging. So let's dive in. Tip number 1, set up a consistent learning routine. First up, consistency is the key. Think about it. What if you could make English a part of your daily routine as naturally as checking your phone? Well, here's how you can break down your day. So, morning, kick things off by reading an English news article or listening to a podcast. I always jot down new vocabulary and use it later in my conversation. Like when I realized serendipity was the perfect word for a chance meeting I had last week. Trust me, it works. Afternoon. So connect with a language partner or even practice dialogues from your favorite TV shows or movies. Trust me, it really helps. So you can reenact a scene from your favorite TV show, and it's like a mini drama practice. Like I still remember a dialogue from Avengers movie of Thanos. Hardest choices require the strongest will. So evening. Now end your day with a relaxing English TV show or a movie. Like pay attention to the accents, phrases, the cultural nuances, how they are saying, how they are speaking. So your brain will start thinking in English. Tip number 2, immerse yourself in real life context. Very important. So fluency isn't just about memorizing vocabulary. It's about using English in real life situations. So let's talk immersion, or engaging with a native speaker online or offline. These real life situations fast track your learning. Personally, I remember the first time I used English in a local market. I was traveling somewhere. So let me just tell you, it was nerve wracking, but it made me fluent faster than anything. So tip number 3, leverage AI powered learning tools. Welcome to 2024, where AI is your personal language coach. If you haven't explored AI powered tools yet, you are missing out on a game changer. You have probably heard of apps like Duolingo and Babbel for personalized lessons. But today, I want to introduce you to a powerful AI tool that takes your English learning to the next level. Yeah, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is like having a personal tutor available 24/7. Here's how you can use it to improve your English skills. Now let's explore some amazing AI prompts to improve your English. Conversation practice prompt. Write down, let's have a conversation where I practice asking for directions in a new city. Please correct my grammar along the way. Role-playing prompt for job interviews. Pretend you are an interviewer for a job in marketing. Ask me common interview questions and then give me feedback on my answers. Creative writing prompt. Give me a daily creative writing prompt. Today, can you suggest a topic for a short story? Grammar help prompt. Can you explain when to use who versus whom and give me 5 example sentences? Vocabulary building prompt. Give me a list of 10 advanced English words with their meanings and sentences using each word. Writing prompt assistance. I want to improve my formal writing. Can you help me write an email requesting time off from work? Tip number 4, collaboration with peers. Trust me, learning is more fun when it's social. Whether it's a friend or a study group or even an online forum, having a learning buddy keeps you motivated and accountable as well. Let me just tell you about myself. I have a friend who loves reviewing English articles with me. So we challenge each other sometimes, and this way we have fun also. We sometimes correct mistakes and learn some new words. So having a personal coach like your friend is very, very good in order to improve your English. So collaboration with peer brings your first fresh perspective, and you get to learn something new from them. So I always believe that a friend can teach you what a book can't. Now I want to hear from you guys. Where are you struggling with your English? Is it grammar, vocabulary, or something else? Drop your struggles in the comment section below, and I will personally reply with some tips to help you out. And hey, don't forget to subscribe if you really found this helpful. So there's a lot more content coming your way to help you out with your English. Till then, everybody, take care and bye bye.